I'm going to talk to you about angels, right? Because I was telling them last week, your unity, what's that? You see, when you are, sir, now this is where you are going to. Let me tell you how to go on, just stand here, sir. This is where you are coming, this particular road. And keep coming, sir. I'll tell you to stop. And you're almost there. Stop. A distraction came and turned you to this other side. This other side gave you hope, and you're almost close. You now came back here and wasted more time here. I see you're distracted. You're almost close. You left. I see someone, you're gonna have a doubt about your faith in God. You now left that journey. You are almost there. And I feel like, see, anytime you're almost close to the breakthrough, sir, that is when you wait on pain you watch. I'm telling you how to know. This is what I'm going through. Anytime you are close to your breakthrough, the pain, the condition you are going through is so worse. You are saying that you're not as you are as if God has trained you. The people start telling you, come now, go find an alternative. The alternative you went for is not working. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? I saw somebody while we're praying. I saw somebody who was almost close. Then I saw you carry something like white and water. What are you doing with that? Basin with white, water, and you're almost close. If I tell you what me I'm going to present you, offer I've received, offer, good offers. Your wife called me last week, right? She's coming from there. And I've encouraged her. And you are close. Whenever you are closer, like I want the rest that you stop a pass. You just need to say something I don't do our friend. Why is it like this? See, if God want to give us a new direction and a new revelation and a new breakthrough, you are not a tempest in pressure of the watch. I give you like example. The one you tell me, you 10 minutes more to end. Not a there. You say there, you won't go. You don't have all that tension. Every time you are almost close to the end time of that examination, that's when the pressure is much. Hey, tension. Hey, that's it. That's how it is in life. You were almost close to the breakthrough. Because the pressure you were excited, and I saw you a friend took you somewhere, not of God. It's not a church. Not a church. That is not a church. Where was the place? I'm seeing the white, and I'm seeing water inside. A friend took you there. And some all people, you were almost this wood was almost close. And you know the trick of the enemy. Whenever I see pain, I see the big group somewhere. Another shifting. No shifting comes easy, they come with pain. The Lord, you will not go and ask him for minutes. But I know. My father-in-law is 7 years old. My father-in-law is number 2, not in the 2 Ijebuna, and number 2 traditional minister is well known. These cars are customized cars with his name. I'm only one. You see walk without his name. You see dressed up 87. You know what it is this year. My father-in-law. Then in the Ijebu is number 1. Number 1 student in the whole Ijebu. Where you know certificate. My friend was posting on Facebook. He said to me, we have done Christianity before. I said that God used me now a traditionalist means how you see missionaries. My father of one of my program for the past 5, 6 years, 7 years. He saw me to that people do. And I was at the garden. He said, "Oh, I'm not going to call you. Let me help you. Let me help you." So, when I came there, I was sitting down with my wife. Men of God will pack that chip and walk into it. Look at that. This is my son-in-law. This is my last child. And even the children I'm taking offers, they are very good. From a man who wants to help me from an helpless heart, my son-in-law, he never took care of his daughter. So he's trying to bring the care of her by helping the husband in his ministry. So they can have big crowd, have big crowd. Then they can't make anywhere. The man gave me up as a good one. He said, no. There's nothing like side effect. No. Why would you do that? He can't, but my daughter was swelling up the best. I did not the best. And if you look at your old man, that is an old man in respect. So they tell me, he said everything and what is on the paper. I said, well, yes, as I left it in my table, I told it. I came back. I said, my decision and my letter came and told me that you said I said, sir, I didn't come for that one. I think you collect my advice. That is maybe to do. He looked at me and shook his head. That was my own. And see, I know how many persons have changed that. And not people who get the ministry who are working with escorts. It's time and chance I've been there to them all. My father, and I show my wife, you see guys every day when I come to see you. I will not pay one naira. He said, if possible, if I want you to drive them, you will drive them in Job tomorrow and come and plant the seed. I said, that's not what it's like. Unto Jesus, if you don't work, let it not work. I would rather close down my ministry and not start my house than put my ministry. You see the people who are moving, by the help of God, I'm cleaning up the windows. This man, it was casting I was doing. By the lifting of the windows, it was book. Let us start. We don't take off. He was not saying, let's start picking up. It was not, I did that for 4 years. In fact, he said, I knew why I was in Lagos. I was from Lagos to Warren for 2016, 2015, that's it. He would not want to start my answer. God will make a room. He said, the king of the man make a way. He will make room for you. When I was in my house doing ministry, God was speaking me, he said, oh, you ask for mercy. Because even at now, not that you are not met the people that can help you, but there are the people to help you. You have met them already. It's like your relation, your family, your friends, you have met them. And the same thing that you are pushing, the doctor say, come back. I get plan for you. I get a plan for you. The Lord God will show you mercy. What are you going to ask for this?
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Please, can you tell us your name and where you're coming from?
My name is Colin Sotuedo. I'm from Wagbaro here.
Okay, sir. Sir, please, can you tell us, is this your first time of worshiping with us here on the Sunday service?
No.
So who invited you?
My wife.
Okay, sir. During the course of the service, a man of God brought you out and ministered to you, and he said he saw you being distracted, like you were close to your breakthrough and you were distracted along the line. You went for an alternative.
Yes.
So please, can you explain how, because he mentioned that he saw you leaving and then to somewhere else that is not like.
I went to go and serve. Somebody directed me to go and serve Igbe. When I serve Igbe, the things just not going well. Things not going well for me. That's why I fall back.
Okay, sir. So you are saying that the prophecy the man of God gave is accurate, is correct?
Yes. It's accurate.
Okay, sir. We thank God for today and we look forward to hear your testimony as the man of God has prayed concerning your case. Thank you for worshiping with us and have a nice day.
Thank you very much.